If you are watching this video, you should have already read the story A Pirate's Dilemma. As you know, it's a math problem, word problem involving money. This video gives you hints. Every time you see a pink star at the end of the text of the story, come here and I'll give you a hint on how to solve it. Page 4 tells us how much money the pirates actually have. I suggest adding up all of this money to find the total. If you were to do so, it would be $20 plus $10 plus $5 plus $1. Set it up like this and then you can do the math. Our next hint comes to us on pages 5 and 6. Page 5 tells us how many items of each the pirates need. Page 6 tells us how much money each of the items costs. I would suggest creating another equation. We've already figured out that the pirates have a total of $36. Now we're going to make a new equation. First I put the number $5.99 because we need one pirate flag, which costs that much. Next, we need 2 swords. Each sword costs $3.50, so you can either write $3.50 twice, or you can write 2 and in parentheses $3.50. That means 2 times $3.50. Plus, we need 2 pirate hats, 2 times $3.67. We need 4 eye patches, which cost $1.24, plus 3 wooden legs, which cost $2.21, and last but not least, 1 parrot, which costs $3.30. We're going to add an equal sign to the end so that we know we're going to add these up. Remember, think about what you have to do first. Parentheses comes first, so make sure you multiply these numbers before adding. Page 7 asks if the pirates have enough money to buy everything they need. If you've set up the equation correctly and solved it correctly, you would find that the pirates need $35.22 to buy everything on their list. Think about this. If the pirates have $36, which number is greater? Do the pirates have more money than they need? Or do they need more than they have? Page 8 asks us another question. It asks us if the pirates had enough money to buy all those items and they went ahead and bought those, would they have enough money to buy a new boat, which costs $5? If you set up the earlier equation correctly, you got that all of the items cost $35.22. The pirates had $36, which is more than or greater than what it costs to buy those items. Therefore, the pirates did have enough to buy everything they need. To answer the next question, I would suggest finding out how much the pirates had left after they bought the items. To do this, we would take the total, or what the pirates started with, which was $36, and subtract what they paid for, which was $35.22. If you have subtracted correctly, you get that the pirates were left with 78 cents. Now you have to figure out, is 78 cents enough to buy a $5 boat? Then you'll have your final answer.